Imagine your city's skyline filled not only with skyscrapers, but also with flying cars. Well, that future just received a major upgrade. Meet the Bellwether Vola, a real EVTOL flying car that is officially moving from concept to full-scale reality in 2026. It may be one of the coolest things I saw at this year's Dubai Airshow. This is truly a car that can fly. Unveiled at the Dubai Airshow, the final Bellwether Vola project is much more than a drone with seats. It is a fully enclosed urban flying car inspired by jet aircraft design, and it genuinely looks like a car. There are no exposed rotors and no need for massive landing zones. Instead, it combines sleek automotive styling with cutting-edge aerospace technology. Unlike traditional EVTOLs that rely on noisy open rotors and extensive infrastructure, the Vola features a concealed propulsion system, lower noise levels, and the ability to land in compact spaces. This means it can safely touch down on rooftops or in small parking areas. Now let's look at the numbers. The full-scale 2026 version will accommodate up to 5 passengers within a footprint measuring approximately 6 by 3.5 meters. It is fully electric and offers a range of up to 100 kilometers, or about 1 hour of flight time, making it ideal for short urban trips. Even more impressive, no pilot's license will be required. That's because its developer, Bellwether Industries, is aiming for fully autonomous operation. Imagine a ride-sharing service, but in the sky. Safety is also a major part of the design. Without exposed rotors, the Vola can reduce the required landing safety zone from 50% to just 15% compared with conventional air taxis. In addition, its wingless lifting body design makes it 80% more space efficient than competitors that use fixed wings. This is not only smart engineering, but also a practical solution for smart city integration. Its propulsion system is equally innovative. The vehicle uses full power during vertical takeoff, and then transitions to a cruising load of around 30% during normal flight. This approach helps conserve battery power and makes short-distance urban travel far more efficient. Before the Vola becomes a common sight in our cities, it will first be tested on the racetrack. Bellwether plans to host flying car motorsport events to evaluate and showcase its performance under extreme conditions. This is more than just entertainment. It is a step toward certification, public trust, and widespread adoption. With prototypes already tested and a full-scale version currently under development, the Bellwether Vola is no longer just a dream. It is a countdown to the future. So, is this the flying car we've been waiting for? With real-world applications, stunning design, and a practical approach, the answer may very well be yes. It looks like 2026 could be the year urban air mobility finally takes off.